Hi. I want you to take out your story from the packet. Let's see, page 3, number 3, called I Want a Job. I Want a Job. Your copy is pink. Your copy is this color. Okay. Let's take a look. What do you see? What do you see? See people at work. People at work. What is her job? What is her job? She is a teacher. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Maybe she teaches English. What is her job? What is her job? She is in front of a checkout. Maybe she works in a store. She is a cashier. Cashier. She takes the money at the store. C-A-S-H-I-E-R. Cashier. What do you see here? He has a tray with drinks. What is his job? He is a waiter. A waiter. W-A-I-T-E-R. Waiter. He can also be called a server. Server. S-E-R-V-E-R. Maybe he works in a restaurant. He serves drinks. What do you see here? What do you see here? He is cooking. He has a big hat. He also works in a restaurant. He is a cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. And what about over here? There's a car. He is working on the car, fixing the car. He is a mechanic. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C. Mechanic. Look at the next page. Listen. My name is Robert Chang. I want a job. I read the newspaper. I talk to friends. I look for help wanted signs. I read the job ads online. Now, you read with me. You read with me. My name is Robert Chang. You. I want a job. You. I read the newspaper. I talk to friends. I look for help wanted signs. I read the job ads online. Good. I will see you on Monday. Practice.